Okay, let's create some bananas. So create a new sprite, bananas. We'll drag it up here. And the basic idea is that this banana is going to be kind of a placeholder. Oops, let's delete this variable. And it's going to contain a routine which is going to generate the clones of itself that are going to be the bananas we actually use. So let's go to events. One clicked. We're going to hide it because this the actual sprite is not going to do anything. It's just going to, besides generate the bananas. Now we're going to create a variable which is going to be number of bananas. So let's take that variable and we can set it to some number. Let's start with three bananas. And so then we need to loop, which is going to generate the number of bananas. So each time, so it's 3, we want this loop to run 3 times, but we also would like to be able to change this to make our game more fun to play. So let's go to control, and we will say repeat 10 times, except we don't want to repeat 10 times. We want to repeat num banana times. So let's put that in our loop. And we're going to create a clone of ourselves. So that's down here. Create clone of myself. Okay. Now if we click run, okay. So we need to determine what to do when we start as a clone. So when I start as a clone, first of all, let's send them somewhere. Well, first of all, let's show. So because so we have 3 bananas right here. Okay, so we want to send it somewhere. So let's go to motion, and we'll say go to XY, and we kind of want it to go to a random position. However, we don't want to just put it anywhere on the screen. We'd like it to be somewhere up in this right quadrant of the screen. We don't want to just, because we could just pick like go to a random position, but that might, we'd have a banana here or on top of the monkey. We don't want that. So let's look in our operators, and we can pick a random between 2 numbers. We need 2 of these. So the X, we kind of want, remember this is 0, 0 here. We'd like it somewhere on this side. So it's like 0 to 200. So we'll say 0 to 200. And we'll put that as our X. And the Y, well, we want it somewhere in the middle. We'll just put minus 140 to 140. Okay. And let's test that. Oops. Let's click start. So we have a little bit of a bug. It doesn't delete the old bananas when it starts. That's okay. Okay, so let's also we'd like a variety of sizes, I think. So let's set size. Set size, and instead of 100%, let's pick a random number between 50 and 100. So go back to operator, pick random between 50 and 100. Oops. Okay. Let's also set a color. You can play with these effects. So set color. And we'll put some randomness in here too to make it look nice. Operator. Pick random. And we'll set this from minus 10 to 20. These are all things you can play around with. We're already showing it, so no problem. And now we will say, what do we want the banana to do? Well, we're going to wait until the monkey touches it, and then we will disappear. So wait until is touching monkey. So touching the monkey, and then we have our number of bananas here, which is 3. So we want to delete that. And we want to decrease our variable. So change number of bananas by -1. What else do we want to do? Well, if the number of bananas is 0, we are going to end the game and delete ourselves. Okay. Well, so let's see. If control, if something, number of bananas, so we need an operator, is equal to, something is equal to something. So, oops, that doesn't want to go in. So number of bananas is on that side, and we have a 0 here. Now let's try putting it up. Yeah. It's not wanting to go in there. Let's see this here. Oh, I took the wrong operator. That's why. This is not a Boolean. This is a star, and it's supposed to be an equal sign. Where's the equality operator? Here it is. And we're going to say equal to 0. So if the number of bananas is equal to 0, we want to end the game. It's up to you what you do here. But for the moment, let's just broadcast the message end game. So we'll go to controls. We also want to delete once it's touched the monkey. So we'll delete this clone, and let's go to events, broadcast, message 1. Sure, let's just do it this way for now. So run the game, shoot the monkey. Oops. Boop. Oh, and there we go. You can change this message to display game over or something like that.